equipped with a high-efficiency motor, which generates 3/4 horsepower power. SAEQ1234 air compressor can be inflated quickly and stably, provide a strong air pressure of up to 125 psi to meet all kinds of high-demand operations. With high-grade soundproofing materials and low-vibration design, the operating noise of the air pump is as low as 60 decibels, ensuring a quiet and comfortable working environment. Built in multiple safety protection systems, oil-free air compressor features lower maintenance, including safety valve and overheat protection to ensure long-term stable operation, life cycle more than 1,000 hours, and peak 125 psi, 2.8 cfm at 40 psi, and 1.8 cfm at 90 psi allows the air compressor pump to recover quickly after its initial tank charge is exhausted. High-quality and lightweight Q235B steel tank body with rubber-reinforced handle and bases features easy mobility of toting the compressor from garage to other rooms, such as air brushing, tire inflation, easy-to-fill heavy truck, and fifth-wheel tires to 100 psi, nailing, home DIY project. It pumps up quickly, staplers and so on. Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor is a highly advanced air compressor designed for minimal noise operation. It features advanced noise reduction technology, vibration dampening, and a compact design. These compressors are ideal for environments where quiet operation is crucial, such as residential areas or professional settings. They offer energy efficiency, reliability, and versatility for a variety of applications.